I'm Pete Ferryman, and here's today's Fox 12 flash briefing. A protest that started peacefully in downtown Portland once again ended with rioters, and this time they broke into a jewelry store, and a jewelry store that had been broken into before. H&B Jewelry and Loan has been hit by looters 3 times in the last 3 months. Police say several people broke into the shop at about 3 o'clock this morning after hours of clashes between protesters and federal officers. Store owner Phil Tobin says he thinks the presence of federal officers has escalated the tension, and he plans to get armed security guards for his shop. Portland Mayor Ted Wheeler is calling on federal officers to leave the city and says the tactics that they're using are un-American. He says their presence has escalated the situation downtown and created more danger for protesters and local law enforcement. The mayor also says the violence and vandalism was easing before federal officers arrived, but President Trump disagrees and says the situation was out of control. As Oregon's number of COVID-19 cases continues to rise, there's new concern that testing and contact tracing is not keeping up. Multnomah County health officials say there's a backlog of coronavirus test results to be processed, and that turnaround times have slowed as well, with some people waiting up to 12 days to get their results. They also say testing capacity is down 20%, and it's important for people to wear masks and practice social distancing to limit the spread. Now let's check in with Fox 12's Ann Campolongo for a look at the forecast.
And it won't be quite as hot this afternoon as it was yesterday. Highs will stay in the upper 80s today, and then a much cooler both Wednesday and Thursday. 76 Thursday afternoon. Really comfortable through the weekend. It turns hotter by the first part of next week.
And thank you. For news and weather updates anytime, just download the Fox 12 app on your phone or tablet, or you can log on to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/Fox12.